Okay, today you are going to do one of your first centers. I don't know how I got water all over. And you're going to get a piece of paper that has clouds already on it. You're also going to get a piece of paper that has these two shapes on it. Okay? So you're going to color this shape a lighter color, like yellow or pink, or light blue with a crayon, and this shape brown, okay? Then you're going to cut these shapes out, okay? And shazam, there they are, okay? Once you have them cut out, then I'm gonna flip this over because it's wet. I'm not sure how it got wet. You'll have your piece of paper with the clouds, okay? And I'm gonna stick this here, stick that there. You're gonna, let's see. First you're gonna place your stuff, okay? Because you wanna be sure it can fit, right? So that's pretty good, right, like that, okay? All right, you're gonna get your glue, flip your piece of paper over, and you're gonna glue. Well, that's not working. Let's see if this one will work. Oh, good. Something's working. Okay. Okay. Now before you flip this over, put your sail back up. Okay, so that you kind of have an idea of where you want the boat. It's okay if you get glue on your hands. Glue washes off, did you know? Okay. Tap it on there. If I was to smooth it, I'd get all kinds of wrinkles. I'm sort of getting wrinkles now. Okay, so I tap it. Okay, next I'm gonna flip this over. Put some glue on it. I don't think I'm gonna put it in the middle. I think I'm just gonna put it along the edges because it didn't work really well for the boat. Okay. All right. And then I'm just gonna roll this up to the top so I get some glue up to the top. Okay. Move these. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. And I'm gonna put this, scooch it down a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right. Okay. So right now we have a semicircle and a triangle and some clouds. All right, I think I need a blue crayon. Can I find a blue crayon? That's purple. That doesn't work. That's turquoise. That might work. Yeah, that's indigo. That's a type of blue. More purple than blue. Come on, where's my blue? Well, there's some blue. There's gotta be some more blue. Can you guys find the blue? Oh, here it is. Okay, so boats float in water. So we're gonna make water. Okay. See how you do that? Now you can go like that in some more areas. And it kind of makes it look like there's waves, huh? And then you can color it. And if you're coloring on your red tray, you'll get a really cool pattern. Just like I'm getting a cool pattern. And you don't have to worry about filling in all the gaps because C has foam. And foam is white. Right? All right. Now, let's get some dark in there too. A little bit of indigo. And I'm just kind of scribbling, aren't I? But it kind of looks like water, doesn't it? Okay. So you can choose brown or you can choose black. I don't even know if I have black. Oh, what is this? That's brown. I'll use it. Okay, so you're just gonna create a mast, I think is what it's called, to hold up your sail, and then put one up at the top. Okay, and then you can choose any color you want to make a flag. I'm gonna choose red. Oh, that's orange. That looks like red. Okay, I'm gonna choose red because I like a lot of color. You're going to create a flag by making a triangle and then color it in. Okay? And what you've done is you have created a boat, which reminds us of the story of Jonah. Now Jonah, remember, he was running away and he had a few lessons to learn, so he realized he couldn't run away from God. And part of the reason for that is God loves you very much. You can't run away from him. Our verse is, "To me, you are very dear and I love you." And that's from Isaiah 43:4. And that is God speaking to you. So let's say it together. I want you to repeat after me. To me, now say it, you are very dear and I love you. Isaiah 43 verse 4. And that is your little Bible art project for today.